Instead of you saying how I got subscribers, say how. Hey there, future star. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel where we are building our YouTube journey step by step. If you are new here, I am Olushola Olusegun, a digital marketer and also a creator just like you. I am on a mission to grow on this platform. But here is the thing, I might be new to YouTube, but I've spent years and years learning how to make people connect and what make people connect, engage, and also grow in the online space. So today, I'm sharing my top 5 secret strategy for hitting that magical milestone of 1,000 or 1,000 subscribers. Are you ready to unlock this secret? Grab your notebook. Let's get right into it. Secret number 1 is for you to find your focus, which is also your niche. A few years ago, as a digital creator and marketer, I worked with series of businesses that struggled simply because they were trying to please everyone. The honest truth is this: you cannot please everyone, and that is okay. This same rule applies to YouTube. What is your niche? What is that one thing that you're very much passionate about? What is that thing that you can talk about endlessly? For me, it's all about helping businesses grow and also helping beginners to grow their channel and their social media. When you define your focus, when you define your niche, people know what to expect anytime or whenever they decide to subscribe to your channel. That is how you simply start building a very much loyal audience. Pause this video for a second. Think about that thing that you're passionate about. Write down 2 of them in the comments. Secret number 2, go ahead and deliver value in every video. When I first thought about starting out this channel, why would anyone subscribe to me? And the answer is very much simple: because they are getting something valuable from me. Whether it is learning a new skill, solving a problem, or just feeling inspired, your content needs to give your viewers a reason to come back. Here is a very simple tip I always share with my clients. Start every video by asking, what is my audience going to take away from this? What are they going to benefit from this? If you put that in mind, you're going to create a content that people cannot resist. Now go ahead and think about your next video and also think about what is your audience going to learn that video. Secret number 3 is irresistible thumbnails and titles. You have to nail your thumbnails and your titles. You have to be spot on with your thumbnails and your titles. I know this might sound very obvious, but you have to understand that it is very much important. Just imagine walking past a shelf full of books. The one with the most attractive cover is the one you're going to pick. So for your thumbnails, use bold text and bright colors and make sure your image tells a story. For your titles, think about curiosity. Instead of you saying how I got subscribers, say how I got 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. The secret revealed. This is all about making people want to click on your video. Before your next upload, try to spend extra minutes on your thumbnails and then on your titles. And if you are unsure, you can share it with me in my community. I will definitely give you a feedback. If you are yet to be part of my community, you can join with the link in the description. And secret number 4, connect with your viewers. You have to build a connection with your viewers. As a digital marketer and also as a digital creator, I've come to realize that relationships are everything, both online and offline. The same applies to YouTube. Make sure you reply to almost every comment and also ask your viewers questions. Make them feel like they're part of you and also part of something special. Remember, your first 1,000 subscribers are the foundation of your community and you want to treat them like gold. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I would love to say hi and also learn more about you. Secret number 5, share your channel everywhere. Just share your channel everywhere. Do not spam your channel links all around, but make sure you share your channel. You can share your videos on your Instagram, on your Facebook, or on your WhatsApp or anywhere it is that you hang out online. And don't just share your link, also include in the caption why people would love your content. For example, when I shared my first video, I said something like this: I just shared a video on YouTube growth. You can go ahead and check it out if you are starting your channel. It was not perfect, but it got people curious. Go ahead, pick one platform today, share your latest video there, and let me know how it goes in the comments. And there you go, my top 5 secrets for hitting your first 1000 subscribers. You have to remember this: it's not just all about being perfect, it's about showing up, learning, and also growing. Before we wrap it up, I've got something special for you. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel and you want more actionable tips, insider strategies, and personalized guidance, I invite you to join my free private group. This is where I share exclusive insights, answer your questions directly, and dive deeper into strategies that can make your channel grow faster. Also, it's a great way for you to connect with other creators that are on the same journey as you. To join, you can go ahead and follow the Telegram link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner friendly tips, and also share with anyone or someone else who is starting out their YouTube channel. I cannot wait to see you in the private group and celebrate your wins too. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and peace out.